meal before I head to the Philippines. Here in Melbourne. So yeah, heading to the Philippines after 10 years. Last meal here is egg fried rice. Yeah. We're stopping over at Singapore. Yeah. Yeah, I can sit there. You want to sit there?
No, you can sit there.
But yeah, last meal here is like sticky barbecue pork rice bowl and egg fried rice. I'm here still in Melbourne right now. Yes, and yeah, we will be connecting flight to Singapore and heading directly to Davao. So see you later, guys. This is Laura's order, and that's my order.
So
Now we're
hungry.
swapping.
I'm so hungry. I
Oh,
haven't
yeah.
eaten all day.
Just arrived at Singapore and so tired. It's around 5 a.m. Melbourne time, but it's around 3 a.m. here. So yeah, sleepy. Waiting for Laura. Just got off the plane, waiting for the connecting flight. Unfortunately, it's like 8 hours or I don't know, 12 hours after the next flight. So good thing is there's food here. Okay, yeah, we'll see how we go. Peanut kaya toast. Uy! Yeah. Oh, yan na. Agoy! Bangga! Bangga, mate. Bangga. So yeah, that video was kind of, I don't know, weird. But anyway, yeah, to give you context what happened, just start telling me. First, we went to the airport because we're supposed to go home. So we didn't use Philippine Airlines or Cebu Pacific Philippine Airlines. We just got Flyscoot from Singapore Airlines or Singapore company. I'm not sure. I'm not really sure. But anyway, yeah, we took that because the thing is we've been having problems. We've been hearing a lot of cancellations from Cebu Pacific and Philippine Airlines. So I hope they get their stuff together and they try to make good service to all us, all us customers. And yeah, so while our flight was connecting, we went to first Singapore, and then we stayed there for a few hours. Stayed just inside the airport. Just had some kaya toast, which was so good. I love the kaya toast. And then later on, we went to Davao. So when we flew to Davao, I didn't film a lot. It was just headache and everything. And my foot, I think it was plantar fasciitis. I'm not sure. It was aching. I can't walk properly, and I had an extra bag here for our pasalubongs or our presents or something like that. So yeah, yeah, that's just it. And then after that, we arrived at Davao around late 8 p.m. So we flew Melbourne around 3 a.m., 4 a.m., 3 a.m. Yeah, something like that. And then we arrived at Davao around 8 p.m. So 2 connecting flights. We stayed in Singapore for like a few hours. But then again, yeah, everything was fine. RA was there to meet us at the airport. We went out to this restaurant, and it had good clams, or like I don't know, shells. I don't know. I forgot the name. Fuck. Yeah, and then yeah, we got shells, and also we had some kinilo or like ceviche. So that was so good. That was the first day. I mean, technically first day in the Philippines. First meal I had in the Philippines. And then for day 2, we're gonna have it days prior. I'm just gonna put other videos in between because yeah, I'm gonna get tired posting this travel vlog. I shouldn't be talking. So yeah, I got tired when I tried to post travel vlogs directly with each other. I tried to do that before, and being OCD as I am, I didn't do well. So I'm just gonna pull whatever I could get. So see you next time, guys. And yeah, just I'm gonna put notes here of what I'm entitled, just that you know what's happening. Yeah. In case if you've seen this in the future, this is how awkward I am with filming and making content. So enjoy, guys. Take care. I need to shut up.